Boys, nou gaan ons braai.
Alright, today I am on back curtain side. My truck is in for repair. Well, not this one, just random trucks. So this one is broken down. The top bloody thing is broken. They broke it in a car wash, so a truck wash. But in any case, that's me.
Eyes were soft as the moon. Why did you leave me that soon? I can't wait to see you in the morning, in the bed where you're the king.
Alright guys, oh, that's all I'm saying. I'm back on back or curtain side today. Only for today. And I'm just going to quickly do my wheel alignment before I continue my journey. Or not the wheel alignment, testing. That's all I'm going to do now. So I'm going to quickly stop over at our yard, get it tested, and shoot off to, I think it's Brighton or somewhere there. That's where I need to go. Ooh, okay, let me see. Ooh, there's a burger van today. I think I'm gonna go for a burger. Yes, boys, this is a good burger place. Really, they're good. I'm gonna quickly go and buy something there. Ooh, they know me by now. Been here a couple of times. I'm just gonna quickly stop here. Okay, change of plan. We are not going to do a test. Yeah, there's too many stuff on at the moment in the garage, and they kind of said, no, go do your delivery and come back. Walk over here. Was it okay? Right, fine. Happy days. Not gonna complain. Hey, road train. Oh, good luck with your class 2 test, mate. Hope you're gonna be okay. I hope you make it. Let's do turn right. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm back in the Black Beast again. I love these trucks. They just drive so nice, and it's really comfy in here. You can turn on the heating exactly how you want it to be, and the seat adjustment is perfect. It's just like living the dream. Now what's happening here? Let's put my indicator on. I think he is waiting to go in. It's about roughly an hour and a half's drive to get to my desto. Alright, this is much better. Got my glasses on, and oh, there's Google car just drove past. Oh wow, I hope they saw me. Big wheel Zach and the number plate. But in any case, I'm off to more or less Brighton. I won't be too long. It's about an hour and 27 minutes drive now. So yeah, it's all fun and games. Ooh, and they want me to go left here. Ooh, I didn't expect that. Now that is a shit move in any case. It's not normally a way I will drive, but yeah, it is what it is. In any case, I will see you guys once I'm closer. I will record it once I enter the yard and that kind of stuff. it's gonna be not gonna be that exciting to do this job. I've done it before so many times. I mean, yeah.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time.
Place though. I love it when the house is so close to the pavement. But I know it's dangerous. I won't buy it at all. I think that's Travis Perkins. I think I need to go straight there, if I can remember correctly. Now, this has been ages since I've been here. Ages. This is at the docks in what's that, Shoreham? Portslade. Oh, Shoreham Harbour. That's where I'm at. That's C-Mix. And there's a Travis Perkins coming out, so yeah, that's the right place. I wonder if this is the in gate or the out gate. Thank you. Okay, he just told me to go down, straight down. Oh, this is a big Travis. Wow, next to the docks. I love this one. I don't think it's going to be challenging, but I think the scenery is going to be brilliant. Oh, there's Superman as well. I have no idea where to go. I know deliveries is here. That guy just showed me something at the back here. Maybe go and speak to him. I'll right back. Okay. He said to me, I need to go around. I don't have enough turning space here. I don't think I will be able to go around unless I go through. Oh, look at the view. this is stunning. Oh wow. Oh, that is close. That's wood. Oh mate. Okay. Oh, look at this water. See, I love this stuff. Oh, Lady Amalia. Yes, this is not what I need to be. Okay, I'm gonna stay here and start opening everything up. Yeah, let's get going. Wow, it's windy, as you can see. Oh, look at that. Really windy at the moment. The sails is going all over the place, the parachutes. Oh, it's mad, look at that. Oh. Okay. Done. Offloaded. And pretty much ready to go. Destination set, an hour and a half. So yeah, happy days. Let me take my glasses out. Okay, ready to rock and roll. Let's go. It's a beautiful place. I love it over here. No trucks coming down. Make sure I'm clear from the gate. Thank you, young man. Where you want to go? Let's go. Oh, boys, I'm not going to Russia. Russia. I don't know why I said Russia. I'm not going abroad. Oh wow, this was a lovely place. Let's just take a wide turn. Lift my mid at lift. That's been done. Alright, so let's just navigate through this little town. Max 20 miles an hour. Yeah, maximum. Okay. Let's have a look. Well, this was fun. I must admit. I haven't done this in ages. Now I've done depot to depot in this, but this is like proper delivery again. to a Travis Perkins or anything else like that, that's lovely. I've been working this week from Northfleet Tarmac to literally 35 minutes apart. What's that place called? Shoreham? No, not Shoreham. What's the place called? I forgot the place name. It's about 35 minutes. So I've been back and forth this whole week, and it went down well. To be honest with you, I really enjoyed it. But today, to chop it off, Travis Perkins. I love delivering to Travis Perkins. The site is normally interesting to go on to. Thank you, young man. That was brilliant thinking. He saw my predicament and he stopped immediately so I can make my turn. That was nice of him. Let's get past this bus. Yeah, I enrolled to become a bus driver. And every time on my first day I had a very bad start. I didn't have a nice start at all on my first day. And every time when I drive, I hit the brakes and look at the passengers and they nod. Say that, yeah, that's a shit day, and they agree. I can't tell jokes. I tried to tell a joke just now. Didn't go down well.
Like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat
until the very end of the video. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all my subscribers, and this guy is actually actively watching my channel, my content. Wow. I'm a very lucky guy in that sense. I just want to thank you all. I had a bit of a cold. I'm just recovering now. Sorry.